Hello guys, welcome to new tutorial. Today I will show you how to design coin in Adobe Illustrator. Open Adobe Illustrator, then click create new. Then type width 1250px and height 1250px. Then go to advanced option, click raster effect and select medium 150 ppi. Go to selection panel and close stroke. Double click on fill color to then apply this color code. And click OK. Then go to Windows on top of, then click Switches option. Go to Switches option, click on New Switches. Then click OK. Again go to Selection panel. Double click on Fill color, then apply this color code. And click OK. Click on New Switches, then click OK. Again go to Selection panel. Double click on Fill color, then apply this color code. And click OK. Click on New Switches, then click OK. Double click on Fill color, then apply this color code. And click OK. Click on New Switches, then click OK. Go to Ellipse tool. And single click on Artboard. Click on this link button. Then type width 745px, and click OK. Select circle, go to Align tool on top of, and click on to center icon. Select circle, go to Windows on top of, and select gradient option. Click on your second color on switches. Then drag into the gradient panel. Click second color and drag into the gradient panel and click angle options. And click -45 degree. Again go to ellipse tool and single click on artboard, then type 705px. And click OK. Go to switches and click 4 color. And drag into the gradient option. Again go to ellipse tool and single click on artboard. Then type 560px. And click OK. Select ellipse shape, click first color and drag into the gradient panel. Click third color and drag into the gradient panel. Again go to ellipse tool and single click on artboard. Type 510px, then click OK. And click reverse gradient option on gradient panel. Select everything. Go to object on top of, and click group. Go to selection panel and click type tool. Click font size and type 100 pt. And click font selection option. Click Arial font. Then type $. Click font style and select bold. Artboard. And resize this $.
I'm a broken home.
Go to type option on top of, click create outline.
I'm letting
And align this font.
breaking these walls down, breaking
Click this $, and go to eyedropper tool, and single click on this ellipse.
But if you wanna
Click
try,
this $, go to gradient panel, then click angle option and click -60
if
degree.
you're gonna leave,
Go
I'ma
to
let
selection
you go.
panel and turn on stock option.
Away.
Go to stroke on top of, then resize to 10 pt. Click this $. Go to gradient and make sure stroke on upper side, then click angle and click -45 degree. Click pen tool, make a shape like this. And close stroke. And change color to white. And go to Windows and click transparency option. Select overlay. And opacity 30%.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare.
Select everything. And click Shape Builder tool. and single click on extra shape, and delete extra shape. Select everything. Then go to object and click group. I make this shape for look realistic. This part play on 2x speed. You can change speed control on YouTube. That you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired.